by Oakdell Egg Farms.
Well, I heard Ron already put his order in.
I did, to go. Egg salad sandwich.
It's Ron on the run.
Yeah.
He did. He's like, can I get one to go? I got to run today after TV. But I was waiting for him to come in that last tease, guys, because he was standing right off camera. And
Well,
like,
because of social distancing, I couldn't harass you.
this is true, because I had a knife.
Good plan.
Let's get to the egg sandwiches, guys. These are delicious, and I'm starting off with 5. You can put 6 hard-boiled Oakdell eggs in there, cage-free. There's no antibiotics, no hormones. It's a great option for back-to-school lunch ideas or after-school snacks, too. So into this, I'm going to add some mayonnaise. You can use salad dressing if you would prefer salad dressing. And I'm going to use some dill relish, Mom. I love dill relish in there. And, of course, my mom's like, dill relish, you should use sweet relish. So you could use sweet relish if you wanted to, sweet pickle relish. There you go. And I'm going to add a little bit of spice to it. And I love these jalapenos, these little pickled jalapenos. And I'm just going to chop those up and add some of those into there for a little bit of a kick. And you can adjust that to however you'd like to. It's just that I enjoy a little bit of a spice to my egg salad sandwich. And so you can add a splash of hot sauce if you want to. I've just found that these work really, really well. And I was had so much fun. This weekend I went up to see my parents, make sure they're okay during all of this craziness that we're going through. And I actually went to the Oakdell Egg plant and bought eggs there. And so I got to see some of the workers, meet some of the workers there, and enjoy some of the eggs, fresh eggs there as well. So Oakdell Eggs, I love them. I've told you all, I've grown up with the family. They're great people. So now you're just going to smash this together. I already have the red onions in there, and I have a lot of red onions because I like onions. So we're going to add those into there. Smash these all together. Once you get all of this combined, you're going to build the sandwiches. So when we come back, we'll finish off with the sandwiches, and I'll show you what my idea is for serving with them for a perfect after-school snack.
Just some potato chips.
I think that's a great idea. I got something better, though.
Walk by a vegetable.
Yeah. Potato chips. That is great. And we want to head to the kitchen now to finish up the egg salad sandwiches. One of my favorite, by the way.
Well, Ron, I just want you to see, I have yours wrapped. Your back-to-school lunch is ready to go.
Oh, that is awesome. Thank you so much, Chef
I'll put it back here for you, okay?
Okay.
All right. So first of all, Ron had mentioned chips. I think chips are great with this, but we're going to go a little bit healthier with some fresh cherry tomatoes. I call them pear tomatoes because they look like pears to me, from the garden. These are from my coworker Arch's garden, which I'm so appreciative. And then I have some delicious carrots that we're going to make into strips. And I'm going to say it, did you realize you can actually make carrot strips? You don't buy them already done. They're actually made from real carrots. I know there are actually some people out there that don't ever know where the food comes from, and so when they're like, what, you can cut up your own carrot strips? Yes, you can, and it's a lot more cost effective too. So all I'm doing is just adding on the carrot strips there, and I'm just going to take it and cut this large one in half, lay the flat side down so that it works and doesn't roll around on there. The larger one I'm going to cut into 3 strips, put that onto there, and then I'm going to put that onto there, the other one there, just like that. Also, I have some celery sticks that I'm going to add onto there as well, because celery sticks are fun. You can serve these with a little bit of ranch if you want to on the side for kids to dip in. I don't want to cover up my tomatoes. To dip in, we called it dip when I was growing up, and so you can have some fun with that. Also, another one that people don't think about, radishes. Radishes are so healthy, they're so good. I love radishes. I think they're delicious and are a great option to serve with a sandwich like this on the side. So it's a fun little back-to-school delicious treat here. And I followed the Instapot recipe in my book and just hard-boiled the eggs in the Instapot. And you can go get the recipe for this egg salad sandwich with Oakdell eggs on the website cookingwithchefbrian.com or KUTV.com. Remember, it's a great choice for back-to-school. No hormones, no antibiotics, cage-free. It's a delicious and healthy way to enjoy back-to-school snacks.
I think egg salad's also good for social distancing.
I think it could be delicious.
No one will sit next to you at the table.
For hours, actually. I think we found it.